Try another one. Way to go! It's a monkey. Very good. It's a pen. That's right. It's a duck. Yay! You got all the animals. The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. That's right. A monkey eats. That's right. Yes, panda eats bamboo. What a job you did. You fed all the animals. Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Correct. That's the duck's house.